Just in, lawyers discover legal connection between ABBA KYARI and Nnamdi KANU, where they used Nnamdi KANU as a reference to ABBA KYARI's case. If Nnamdi KANU can stay in custody, ABBA KYARI must return, be reminded and must remain in custody. In fact, it was NDLEA that said Nnamdi KANU, ABBA KYARI is a flight risk and that they cannot allow or afford to allow him, they cannot afford to allow him, go scot-free. You see, Nnamdi KANU is in custody. Why? Why is he there? Because of this wicked set of people. Wicked set of people, I beg your pardon. What has he done? He said it is not fair to treat these people with the way they are being treated. And for this reason, Nigerian government says you lie. Let's get all the details. Just in, lawyers discovers legal connection between ABBA KYARI and Nnamdi KANU. A lawyer, Ejimafo, a lawyer to the detained leader of the Indigenous People of Biafra, IPOB, Nnamdi KANU, on Monday wrote an open letter to the Attorney General of the Federation, Abubakar Malami, and Minister of Justice. Politics Nigeria reports that in the letter, Nnamdi KANU's lawyer, Ejimafo, said the update about ABBA KYARI's requesting for further probe in relation to some aspects of KYARI's investigation has created a new legal connection between ABBA KYARI and Mazi Nnamdi KANU, the IPOB leader. The IPOB lawyer argued that if Malami can offer legal advice in the extradition process of ABBA KYARI, who is wanted in the US for his part in the fraudulent activities involving Raymond Abbas, popularly known as Hush Puppy, Nnamdi KANU is equally entitled to legal advice that imparts his prosecution. On 13th March 2022, it was widely reported in the media that the Office of the Attorney General of the Federation issued a legal advice exonerating DSP ABBA KYARI from the allegations of money laundering, which forms the main basis upon which the United States of America is seeking KYARI's extradition to America. One of such publication in a well-respected national daily was captured. Hush Puppy new legal advice from AGF office exonerating ABBA KYARI of money laundering allegations. In as much as the legal advice does not sit well with certain settlements of Nigeria and even Americans that seek the extradition of ABBA KYARI, it needs to be stated that the rendering of legal opinion or advice with the constitutional power of the Attorney General of the Federation as perceived under the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria sufficiently to say that this is very legal advice exonerating ABBA KYARI, which has created a new legal connection between ABBA KYARI and Nnamdi KANU. The connection lies simply in the fact that ABBA KYARI is deemed entitled to such legal advice, which will surely impart his extradition. Nnamdi KANU is equally entitled to legal advice that will impart his prosecution, in other words. Nigerian government, according to the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, must equally commit to all and must be equal. What has happened to ABBA KYARI must also happen to Nnamdi KANU. Otherwise, the Attorney General of the Federation is a lie. He is a lie before. You don't need to argue about that. The man is a lie. The man himself is a lie. The man himself is embedded, is all engulfed in lies. You don't need a seer to tell you that. You should just know it's something that should jump out naturally. You don't need anybody to come and tell you that the whole thing, there is fraud and graft and entangled all over the whole process. I know, we know. We all know what's going on. So the best of it all is that we must all now rise up and begin to reiterate and say no more. Okay, the Attorney General of the Federation is the guy. Oh, no, 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 no. I've been speaking of marginalization and the rest. I did not know that the marginalization is so much. I did not know that it's this much, the marginalization. I didn't know. When it's ABBA KYARI, you say you are giving a legal advice. To who? To whom it may concern. You say you are giving a legal advice. But when it comes to Nnamdi Kanu, there's no legal advice. Welcome to Nigeria. Yes, some people do some things and get away with it, and others, nothing is done. You don't do that. If the constitution clearly gives opportunity for everybody to be able to have equality. Okay, so if Nnamdi Kanu will be getting some form of advice, why? Well, if Abba Kyari, I beg your pardon, will be getting some form of advice, why can't Nnamdi Kanu also get the same legal advice? For Nnamdi Kanu, no, they should kill him. In fact, Nnamdi Kanu deserve ABCDZ. But for your own, you have found him that you found out that there is nothing against him. In fact, all the allegations against him, you cannot relate with it. Welcome to Nigeria, where lies is the order of the day, where those that should defend the words of truth are the very people destroying the fabric of the nation called Nigeria. And everybody is quiet, by the way. Everybody is silent and pretending that nothing is happening. If it's your child, will you be quiet? If it's your own child, and don't forget that Nnamdi Kanu is fighting for the good of the people of the Southwest. Yet, those that should stand for him, what do? They turn a blind eye. Pretense is the order of the day, as if nothing is being done in that regard, in that light. They turn a blind eye like Nnamdi Kanu. Yeah, guess what he deserves? This is not the way things should go. This is not the order of things. For if we want to tell the truth, what is good for the goose, my beg your pardon, is good for the gangas. And so everybody should be able to rise up and say no more. No way. No way. The truth of the matter is, it is time we rise up. It is time we forbid wickedness and orchestration of all this things going on. Okay, we must reject it vehemently. We must speak against it and we must never allow it to happen again, because what is going on is unprecedented. It's unimaginable. Welcome to Nigeria. Yes, some people do some things and they get away with it. And when you think about it, you are wondering, how did this ever happen? My dear, it happened though. It did happen. It did happen. And this is why every one of us must speak out against wrongdoing. So at the end of the day, we are happy. We are happier people and we have every cause to be grateful to God. Leave us a comment. We'd love to hear from you. Please don't forget to like us, share, subscribe. God bless you. Have a lovely and a fantastic day from us. It's bye for now. Remember, you've got a voice. Let it count. Bye.